Which of the following is a factor of 3x squared plus 9x plus 6? I know there are not answer choices. I'm just going to work it like I'm working it from scratch. And then once I get my answer, I'm going to show you how you can guess and check with your answer choices on Desmos. So this is factoring when a is greater than 1. We want to find factors of a times c, which is 3 times 6, which is 18, that add to b, which is 9. Okay, so factors of 18 that add to 9, 6 and 3. And you can start listing them if you had trouble finding that, because 6 plus 3 is 9 and 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, so let's make our Punnett square. Top left is your ax squared term. Bottom right is your c. And you replace it with the two numbers you found with an x, and now we found the GCF. Okay, GCF of 3x squared and 6x is 3x. GCF of 3x and 6 is 3, and that's a positive. GCF of 3x squared and 3x is 3x, and GCF of 6x and 6 is positive 6. And we can, so I'm realizing that when I go back to distribute, that 3x times 3x is not 3x squared, it's 9x squared. Same thing with everything, there's an extra factor of 3. So what's happened is this is correct, except for, notice there is a factor of 3 in each. So let's go ahead and take the GCF out now. I should have done it in the beginning, but it's fine. You can take it out later. So x plus 1 and x plus 2. So actually you could have worked this as a factoring when x or the a was 1. But be prepared to do this type of question when a is greater than 1 and work it that way. Okay, so here are our factors, the 3, the x plus 1, and the x plus 2. If we wanted to check here on Desmos, we can simply type in our fractions, or not fractions, our factors, and see if we get the correct thing. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so if you type in the factors you got, x plus 1, okay, notice the line goes through one of the zeros or one of the roots of your parabola, okay, or your quadratic. And then x plus 2 is another. It also goes through there, right? So if you had 4 answer choices, the 0 would have to be passing through the same zeros or one of the zeros, if you're just finding one of your factors, that your quadratic has. So you can type them in if they go through that root, that x-intercept that is a factor. And the reason why is, what do we do when we get the factors? We set them equal to 0, and that gives us the x-intercept. So yeah, that one should give us a -2, that one should give us a -1. If those are the roots, then yeah, of course it should pass through there. So that should make sense.